Alright, it's day 2 and we're going to look for food, and then we're going to go to the Sari market, for which I came over here to capture the story, to figure out things. Let's see how it goes. But the first criteria right now is to find some food. देखने को मिलता है?
हाँ, मिल सकता है। पहले थोड़ा पूछना चाहिए।
हाँ।
उसके परमिशन लेके।
अच्छा। So day 1 of traveling India without money was very interesting. We rode on a lot of transports which I never expected but was assuming that I will. Tempo में गए, truck में गए, car में lift मिली, bikes पे गए. So that was interesting. Day 1 was just me moving from Bangalore to Venkatagiri, that's in Andhra. And more difficult than hitchhiking is finding a place to stay free of cost, which doesn't really go as you plan. So yeah, that was in itself a task to do, because I looked around a lot and it was pouring very heavily. So ultimately I had to ask a lounge owner to let me stay over there free of cost, and he agreed and he gave me one room, so which was very sweet of him. On day 2 we will be leaving from Venkatagiri to Madhvamala, which is an hour from here. Right now I'm going back to the room, gonna pack everything up and take it back with me. Also my body is not really in the right state. There is pain. The bag is too heavy. It's around 15 kg, 16 kg that I'm carrying, and then there's another bag that I'm carrying in the front. So my back is breaking with every step. I have everything is swelled up, guys. So here is a quick update about what is happening. We came to Tirumala yesterday, reached here in the evening. उसके बाद हम लोग जनरल हॉल में रुके थे क्योंकि देयर वाज नथिंग एल्स अवेलेबल, और मुझे उस वक्त पता नहीं था कि तिरुमाला में सिंगल लोगों को, जो सिंगल ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं या अनमैरिड लोग हैं, उनको रूम्स नहीं मिलते हैं. सो आई थॉट लेट्स स्पेंड द नाइट इन अ हॉल एंड देन मे बी टुमारो मॉर्निंग आई विल गेट अप एंड गेट अ रूम. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड. आई वोक अप एट 3:30, got ready, took my luggage out of the locker and went to take the room. And that's when I got to know that oops, I am unmarried plus single, so traveling single, so I can't get a room. तो हमने दूसरा locker लिया in a very very crowded hall, and now we're going for darshan. Now because we do not have a token and all the slots online for token are booked, we have to go through a free darshan line that is without token, and it's called Sarva Darshan, and it takes a lot of time through this. So if you don't have time, then take a token and make a plan. So let's go. Hi बोलो. सब वेट कर रहे हैं दर्शन पे जाने के लिए. अभी आधे घंटे से हम चल रहे थे. So now we're just waiting on the stairs. We're still walking. Masks are mandatory, so called, but I'm the only one wearing it, so you never know. This is how I look. Okay, let me show you how it looks when I travel with my 16 kg of backpack and this front bag. This is the bag. Right now I'm walking uphill to catch a bus. That's another trouble. So, biggest thing about hitchhiking is to wait. Wait and see who waits for you, who comes down, who stops, and who agrees. So right now I'm in Tirupati and I have to go to the youth hostel And this very sweet boy Kalam has agreed to drop me there. He was already taking me there when his scooty's fuel got over. तो अभी उसने मुझे बोला है कि मैं यहाँ रुकूँ, वेट करूँ और वो पेट्रोल भरा के ला रहा है. उसके बाद वो मुझे ड्रॉप करेगा. He's a sweet boy. Found Kalam. Kalam is giving us a ride. I'm hitchhiking my way across India, sleeping at places where I don't have to pay, or at least trying to find those places. Last night I was at Tirumala. I was sleeping in the common hall dormitory area. Today I am in Tirupati. I will be here for next 2 days. I'm staying at a youth hostel. Yeah, there's someone washing clothes.